How to get QR code for Nomad eSIM. Nomad is a company that provides eSIM services, allowing travelers to buy and use mobile data plans in over 200 countries without needing a physical SIM card. Their service is data-only and avoid roaming charges. Before you get started, make sure you have a stable and strong internet connection. A Wi-Fi connection is preferable because you need internet in order to install your eSIM. So, if you're going to be installing with a QR code, you're going to need another device, or you need to print out your QR code because you're going to need to scan your QR code with the phone that you're going to be installing the eSIM onto. You will receive your QR code via email. Go to Settings and click on Cellular and choose Add SIM. Then click on Use QR code. Then scan the QR code. Then click Continue. That's it. Thanks for watching.